Vancouver, we're here at the Patricia's house, and we've just finished restoring and painting the outside of her house. We did a whole bunch of siding repair. You found us through a web search, right?
Yes, because I was looking for a company that would do painting, but also restoration.
And so what would you say the experience has been like?
Well, it's been very, very good. The crew was extremely thorough. I mean, I've never seen anybody work so thoroughly. And the restoration work is what I'm really impressed with.
Yeah.
I think the house all of a sudden feels like almost new, like it just feels so solid now.
Yeah.
Because there was a lot of rot that was found, more than I was aware of.
So we replaced and fixed a bunch of the siding. We did shingle siding, window
Windows.
repairs. We redid the windows. Was a pleasant surprise.
But you always identified areas that obviously I couldn't see. It's a big, tall house, so
Yes.
I wouldn't have been aware of
Okay.
some of the damage up there. So, that you came forward and said this what needs to be done, that kind of thing. And also, I mean, the head painter, Patrick, was extremely helpful with colors and ideas.
Nice. If somebody wanted a referral or if they asked about us, what would you tell them?
Oh, I would totally recommend this company.
Okay. Well, thank you, Patricia.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
I think everybody's really enjoyed working with you as well.
And I really enjoy all the crew.
Yeah.
It was really